Hey everybody, welcome to Camp Little Bites. We're a virtual summer camp packed with a lot of activities and a lot of Little Bites muffins, and we're here to make this the best summer ever. Welcome to Camp Little Bites. I'm your counselor, Erica, and today we're gonna do something out of this world. We're gonna be making muffin box spaceships out of Little Bites fudge brownies. Get excited. The things you're gonna need for this project are a Little Bites muffin box, our template, a pair of scissors, clear tape, a hot glue gun, little candy eyes, a toothpick, frosting, markers, and a little bottle. After you finish your Little Bites muffins, save the box because you're gonna use some of the panels to craft. Now, we also have a template for you to download. I've got two pieces here that I pre-cut out. This one's our spaceship base. This one, stay tuned. So you're gonna take your marker and you're gonna trace right on top of the box. I like to keep the template towards the side so it gives me a straight edge. Okay, now it's time to cut. Now, quick tip for that window I was talking about. I've traced it out. You're gonna do a little pierce and simply push through and cut. Next up, we go back to our base. Now the fun part starts. We get to decorate. Now the fun thing about this project is that it's not just about space. It's about being playful and using your imagination. Nothing has to be perfect, just have fun. And let me tell you, this is looking pretty fun. Now for the next part. Now we need to get this round. So remember that bottle I talked about? This is what we're gonna use it for. I just grabbed this out of my pantry, no big deal. Now you're gonna wrap it around like so. Put it down on your surface. You give it a little roll. This is gonna help it really take shape for the cockpit. Pretty cute, right? That's gonna be our window. Both of our pieces are ready to be attached. That should do it. Now we're gonna put this right on our base of wings. I'm gonna line that up at the bottom. I'm gonna press it with a few fingers. All right, I'm gonna put this aside and give it a little space. Now, onto our Little Bites fudge brownies, we are gonna put some fun little edible eyes on them. And I'm gonna take these eyes that are little candy bits with just a tad of frosting. One more. I'm gonna place this right on here. So cute, right? It's time to go. Let's take you to your spaceship. Okay, I think he's ready for takeoff. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, this is amazing. All right, should we do it? 3, 2, 1, blast off. So adorable. Your kids are gonna love this. I think everybody's gonna love this. Don't space out. Make sure to pick up more Little Bites muffins for our next activity. Thanks again for joining me at Camp Little Bites. I'll see you soon.